We have issued already the notice. That is for our committee hearing on Wednesday, March 18. The purpose of which is to discuss preliminary matters, no? Prior to our hearing proper, which will start on April 8, tentatively, no? But as to your question, kailan po matatakel itong motion or request ni Kong Chel Jokno, as well as not only the issuance of subpoena of bank records, but even with respect to the transfer of custody, no? Apparently, kailangan muna naming mag-determine ng existence ng sufficient ground. If there is sufficient ground that supports impeachment, pwede na kaming mag-act on the motion of Kong Chel Jokno with respect to the issuance of subpoena of bank records. But with respect to the transfer of custody of Madriaga, I am apprehensive because he has a pending case with the court, and therefore the jurisdiction over Madriaga belongs to the court, no? Ito at least from my perspective as a justice chair. But definitely, ito'y mapapag-usapan natin sa hearing this coming Wednesday, March 18, no? So, for clarity, the purpose of the hearing is to address preliminary matters kasi magre-recess na, and it will be challenging for us to gather the justice members. So mag-usap kami on Wednesday about the matters which we need to thresh out before we start our hearing proper tentatively on April 8. Bagaman, all these matters are subject to the assumption of the determination of the existence of sufficient ground that supports the impeachment complaint, which must happen first before we proceed to hearing proper, before we proceed likewise to the action on motions, and even to the request for the transfer of custody of Madriaga.